front of me is Nubia RedMagic 11A, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply animated leaf wallpaper called Magic Fluids. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading free app called Magic Fluids Light Fluid Theme from Mad Scientist Developer. Not sponsored, by the way. When your app is ready, launch it, and to mute the music, click at the bottom left corner here. Then select Consent, and finally, to manage your wallpaper settings, click at the top left corner and adjust all of them however you want to. Like that. And once you do, check out Preview at the top. You can also select presets on the left. Click on one of those and adjust settings for it as well. You can always make any changes later on, so don't worry. Now, to apply this version of your wallpaper wherever you create it now, click at the top right corner and bottom right corner. Then choose Set as Leaf Wallpaper. Click Yes. Tap on Set Wallpaper at the bottom and decide where you wanna apply it. Home screen, lock screen, or home screen and lock screen. I will go with home screen only, so when I tap and go back, I can see that my wallpaper was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!